What you doing? Can you come see Mama and Papa?
Where's Megan?
Probably not.
Where's your Mama and Papa? You're gonna be funny.
Where's Megan? Huh? Where's Megan?
I noticed the house a little noisier than it used to be.
Yeah.
No.
Nothing like it used to be.
Yeah.
Okay, what is today? 11?
The 18th, it's Philip's birthday.
Oh, that's right. We must remember that when we get home.
What you doing? Where's your Mama and Papa?
Did you call him yet this morning?
No, it's too early.
Garrick or Brianna?
Me. Always when it's money, Mama, it goes to me. Megan. Where's where's Mama? Where's Mama? Yeah. Megan.
Where's my girl? Huh? Where's Mama's girl? Come and see Mama. You're too busy. Too busy. Yes.
You gonna check the mail this morning? I don't think anything's come yet.
Well, Megan, what is it? Huh? Did you get any mail?
Woo.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Good job. There you go. Whoop. Oh. Uh-oh.